But honestly, who could be more honest? Prep. To start prep, we're going to cut the nails all the way down. I find that if I leave any extra space, it does not last 3 weeks because it will start bending sooner if there's extra nail space. So I cut it all the way down. Next up is cleaning up the cuticles. I start with a cuticle pusher and just push them all the way back. Okay, so if there's anything that I don't get with the cuticle pusher, I then use the buffing tip of my drill to just clean it up a little bit more around the cuticles. And while I'm at it, I just buff the whole nail. Now that the cuticles are lifted, I then go in with a nail clipper. I just like this one. I actually do have the cuticle clipper, but this is just what works for me. And I go in and cut them down. Last step of prep is removing the oil or dehydrating the nail. There is a dehydrator if you want to buy one, but I just use rubbing alcohol just to get rid of all the dust, all the oils, and just so we have a clean, dry base. Apply nails. Okay, so now we're going to apply the nails. Today we are working with the BTART Box X-Coat tips. So these come in different patterns. The box that I have today, they have 5 patterns in the box, but usually it's 5 of the same pattern. So let me just show you what we're working with. Okay, so this is one we are gonna do today, and first part of applying the nails is picking the size. What I like to do is size it while it's on kind of the form, and then as I'm picking it, I just twist them off and lay them down. Once they're all ready, the next thing to do is to actually file the press-ons. So I pretty much file the inside, which is just going to give that extra grip and hold with the glue. But I also filed the outside just to make a note. I filed the outside, but just the bottom, where it's going to touch your cuticle, just so it's nice and seamless. Now that our natural nail is ready and our press-on nail is ready, it's time to glue down. So I am using the Beauty Secrets glue. This glue, honestly, I don't want to talk about how much I paid for it, but it works. It works. And I've had it for a while now, and it still does an amazing job. And as the bottle states, it is clog proof. So this has not dried out on me. It's still the same consistency. and works perfect. So as you can see, I am kind of gluing on my nail first, and then I put some glue inside the press-on. I'm just going to do that again. So once more, we're putting a dot of glue on the nail and spreading it around. Then immediately after, we are going to the nail. We're going to get the sides of the nail and the bottom of the nail. And then we are going to start where the cuticle starts and the bottom of the press-on. Apply pressure and pull down. We're going to hold it there for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then you're good to go. This is a very important part, so we're going to go over it again. So once more, we're going to drop some glue onto the natural nail. We're going to spread it all around. However, we're going to avoid the skin as much as we can avoid the skin, but we're going to spread this all around to the top, to the bottom, everywhere of the natural nail. But on the press-on, we're only going to do the sides and the bottom. Sides and the bottom. The reason for this is we don't want it to pool in our nails after we press. We don't want there to be excess glue. Right? Then we're going to go cuticle to bottom of press-on and apply that pressure. You should see pretty much the glue like moving down as you apply the pressure. And there you go. Then here we're just prepping for the polish. So I'm just taking off the little tabs that were on the tips, but also if there's any glue that was on the side that had dried, I'm just trying to pretty much free it. Right? So there shouldn't be any glue on your skin. As I said, it should be nail to nail. So we're separating the glue. If we need to use a file, we're filing off any excess glue before we polish. Polish. So we are using the BTART Box S-Coat Tips Builder Gel. I did receive this in a kit and I'll link it below, but this is the first step to our polish. And what this is going to do, this is the secret trick to make press-ons not look like press-ons, because the builder gel pretty much acts as a layer of strength. So it kind of hardens the press-on so it doesn't flip easily, it doesn't break easily. This is kind of the acrylic of the press-on set. So you're going to apply it just like any regular nail polish, but at the end we are going to ensure that we cap the free edge of the nail. So we're just going to go around the border. And then we're going to put it into our UV lamp to cure. I usually do 90 seconds, but honestly I think 60 seconds is fine as well. Next is applying our top coat. So once our builder gel has dried under the UV lamp, we're going to go in straight with the top coat. I don't wipe, I don't rub, I just go straight in with it after. And once more, apply it all over the nail and cap the nail at the end. We're going to go right back under the UV lamp and then we're done. Final touches. Okay, so we are going to file the edges. So we did cap the nail, but I find that filing the edges just does something where it does not move. And note, I lightly file the edges. I lightly file the edges. And last but not least, you know you're done your manicure when you apply your cuticle oil. So I got this cuticle oil from Amazon. And yeah, this is the finishing touch to make sure our cuticles are nice and moisturized and our stuff looks amazing. This is actually 25 days later, and only one had fallen off. Let me know if you guys want a removal video in the comments below, and I'll for sure show you the next time. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.